Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this chapter, you'll learn how to use the Book module to design photographic books. Using the Book module, you can save your created books as PDF files or as individual JPEG files. You can also upload books you create to the on-demand website blurb.com. To display the Book module, click Book in the module picker. When you first select the Book module, Lightroom Classic CC automatically populates a sample photo book with the current Filmstrip photos. Like other Lightroom Classic CC modules, the Book module provides an image display area under the center of the screen, with the module picker above the image display area and a toolbar just underneath the image display area. You'll see buttons labeled Clear Book and Create Saved Book below the module picker. The toolbar provides buttons for accessing different views within the Book module, including the multi-page view, spread view, and single-page view. When the single-page view is selected, the image display area shows the selected page. The toolbar also provides arrows for navigating the pages of your book, as well as a thumbnail slider for adjusting the size of thumbnail images in the image preview area. The film strip runs along the bottom of the Book module. Thumbnails in the film strip display a number that indicates how many times the photo appears in the current book. At the left side of the screen, you'll see a Preview panel and a Collections panel. Under the Collections panel, you'll see an Export Book to PDF button. At the right side of the screen, the Book module provides the following panels: Book Settings, Auto Layout, Page, Guides, Cell, Text, Type, and Background. Below the right panel grouping, you'll see the Send Book to Blurb button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.